What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Oh my God, you got me fucked up. You got me fucked up, I'm telling you right now. Nisha. You shit nasty as fuck. Nisha, the fuck up. The fuck up, man. What the fuck is this, man? This better not be no shit all on my face and none of this shit, man. Look, I'm on the man. What the fuck is this? It smells like doodle, man. This better not be doodle.
Where did doodle come from?
I'm telling you right now, I'm about to flip out.
Where did doodle come from?
This shit everywhere on my face, man. This shit nasty as fuck, Nisha.
Where did that come
What
from?
the fuck is this?
Oh, doodle!
What the fuck is this on my face? You got shit on me. You got shit on your ass. What the fuck is, man? Oh my God, man. What the fuck is this doing, man? This shit on my motherfucking face and I'm about to flip the fuck out.
I'm sorry. How did I do like that?
You doodled on my motherfucking face, Nisha. This shit don't make sense. Why would you doodle on the bed? Oh my God. What the fuck going on? You sick? Is you sick? You sick? You fucked up on the inside? The fuck? Damn. You embarrassed? I'm fucked up right now. My face got shit all over. The fuck? Corny ass. Fuck your problems. This nasty ass shit. Damn. The fuck? Oh my God. Well, you got me fucked up, man. I swear to God on anything. No, go.
How I do to myself like that? Oh my God. Oh, it's
Get the fuck out.
Why you
This is stop playing with me right now. I'm telling you right now, I'm about to flip the fuck out.
Why you on my sneak?
Corny ass, man. What the fuck?
Oh my God.
What, man, this why would you do that in my face, man?
I did that.
What the fuck you mean did you do that? You don't see what you just did, man? Get the fuck out, get out. What the fuck, get out. Get out, I'm telling you right now. Get the fuck out. I'm gonna flip out. You did too much. Come on now, come on.
Oh my God, I think I got a stomach virus. I got a stomach virus.
I want to tell you what the fuck out my face, that's corny ass.
Stop playing.
I'm telling you right now, stop playing me. I'm telling you right now,
How you gonna get that because I got a stomach virus? My fucking stomach hurt, my booty hurt.
Now you just got doodle all over my motherfucking body, all over. Man, what the fuck? What's wrong with some nasty ass? The fuck, damn.
I did this.
Stop playing me right now, bitch. I'm telling you right now. You know you did that nasty ass shit. Who else did this shit? Who else? Look at this shit on the floor. This is
Where's that
what the fuck?
Clean it up. You gotta clean this up, James.
Don't hit the fuck on. Don't head on.
Oh my God, I'm so
Don't
sorry.
head on right now.
Hi,
I'm about to flip out.
can you help me?
I'm about to flip out. Look, man. Can you get up so I get in the shower? Get out.
I gotta get in the shower. I gotta do it all on my butt.
I don't give a fuck what you got on your butt. You got that shit all on my face. My face fucked up. My shit about to just ride fall the fuck off, son. I don't know what's gonna happen to my face now. The fuck? My shit all sticky and shit.
You act like I did it on
Get the fuck
purpose.
out the bathroom before I get mad and start beating everything up in the
So I
bathroom.
gotta
I'm telling you right now,
just walk around with doodle on my butt because you wanna wash your face. Your face is clean already. My booty is itching.
you gonna sit down on that dumb shit?
Oh my God.
That's the nastiest shit in the world. What type of trifling ass? Bitch, I'm married now. I'm not going to talk to your name and I don't give a fuck. I'm telling you right now because I'm sorry. You know about to disrespect me. I'm telling you right now, you disrespect me. And then you doodled in my face.
Did I mean to?
You literally doodled in my
I was
face.
asleep.
Doodled everywhere on my
I
face.
was having a drink. I shorted. I have a stomach virus.
You literally doodled in my fucking
I
face.
thought I
Get
had
on
a
my
fart.
get my go ahead.
I thought I had a fart. Can I get in the shower?
Nisha, you got me stabbing the doodle water and all type of shit, man. You get off.
I gotta take a
Get off the
shower.
bath,
I have to
man.
take a shower.
Nisha, man.
What?
You get off the bathroom, I don't want to see you right now.
I'm about to look.
You got this shit everywhere in the back, man.
You were the nasty motherfucker.
How the fuck I'm nasty, you stupid ass fuck when you doodle on me? How the fuck am I nasty? I'm telling you right now. Don't come back in this bathroom. That's some nasty ass shit to do.
I'm just trying to clean up. I'm sorry.
What you mean you trying to clean up? How you gonna clean up with all that shit on you still?
You said you want to wash your cars.
Nisha, you still got shit all on you. How you gonna clean up with shit all on you? It don't make sense to me.
Can you clean it up
The
while
fuck?
you in the shower?
Go ahead on, watch out. You just doodle all on my face and shit, and I don't respect it. You want all respect.
Wipe my butt.
Don't put your shit, don't put that shit. What is you doing?
I'm about to wipe my butt.
Take your fucking pants or like.
Just fell embarrassed.
Take the fuck out.
I am so embarrassed.
That's all going on with that dumb shit. You embarrassed. Like, come on, how you embarrassed when you just got all this doodle on me?
You heard I got this all
Listen, you got
on Daddy's face today.
I know they doodle on my arm.
I had to fart, and I shorted. I shitted and farted at the same time. What did you want me to do?
I'm still fucked up. I got doodle on my arm, Nisha. I'm about to flip the fuck out. My motherfucking skin gonna start peeling off and all type of shit. I'm telling you right now, this shit been on me too long.
Get in the shower.
Nisha, with the soap, man. Go get the soap right now, man. I'm about to get sweaty as fuck. Can you go get the soap?
No. I need to wash my butt. My butt is huge.
Can you
have a baby
Get out the bathroom.
Can you have a
I'm not about to
baby
say, no, because you just disrespecting me. Watch out.
Can you have a baby
Watch out, shut up, no. The fuck, damn. Do that fuck. Damn. No, I do shit. Fuck, I look like taking help you. When you got all this shit on me.
Why are you in the shower?
Watch out when I get in the shower.
Can I
I'm
get in
fucked
there
up.
with you?
You know how to get in there with me with all that doodle on doing shit.
Can you have
Get
to
out,
take it
Nisha.
off? I can't.
Nisha, don't head on, man.
Can you help me take this off?
Nisha, don't head on and I'm gonna help you take shit off.
Please. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Stop playing with me.